In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a debit note in Zoho Books. Now, whether you're new to Zoho Books or you just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you understand each part thoroughly. So, let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is access the debit note creation page in Zoho Books. Begin by navigating to the Sales section, which you can find on the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Invoices. This will bring up a page with your current invoices, but don't get sidetracked just yet. Look for the plus new button. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Debit Note. This action takes you directly to the page where you can create a brand new debit note. Now that you've reached the debit note creation page, it's time to enter some details about the debit note itself. Start by selecting the customer who will be receiving the debit note. This is a crucial step because it links the debit note to the right account in your records. Once you've chosen the customer, the next thing to do is to enter the date of the debit note. This is the date on which you issue the note, so make sure this information is accurate for your records. Another important piece of information you'll need to provide is the reference number. This should be a unique identifier for the debit note, as it will help you track and organize your documents more efficiently. So take a moment to think up a number or a system that makes sense for your accounting needs. After that, it's time to add line items. These are the goods or services related to the debit note. For each line item, be sure to specify the quantity, rate, and any applicable tax details. This information is not only essential for the accuracy of your books, but will also ensure that there aren't any misunderstandings with the customer. Additionally, you have the option to add notes. This section is great for including any comments or specific details you feel are relevant to the transaction. Think of it as a way to give context or additional information that might not fit neatly into the other fields. So that's it. You've now created a debit note in Zoho Books. Following these steps should help make this process as simple and straightforward to manage as possible. Remember, keeping your financial records organized and up to date is key to effective business management. If you have any questions, or if there's anything else you need help with, feel free to explore the help resources available in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your business finances.